Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Miller's Language School. Do you like learning English? Let's learn English together. In this video, basic English for beginners. English expressions with the verb to be. Practice.
English expressions with the verb to be.
To be sorry about. Are you sorry about it?
I am not sorry about it.
To be sure of. Are you sure of it?
Yes, I am sure of it.
To be surprised at. Are you not surprised at it?
No, we are surprised at it.
To be angry with. Is he angry with Michael?
Yes, he is angry with Michael.
To be busy with. What are you busy with?
I'm busy with my book.
To be for. Are you before?
Yes, I am for.
To be against. Are you against?
Yes, we are against.
To be fond of. Is your sister fond of music?
Yes, my sister is fond of music.
To be located. Where is the hotel located?
The hotel is located there.
To be afraid of. Are you afraid of it?
No, I am not afraid of it.
Question words. What? Who? Where? When? Why? Interrogative adverbs. Always. Often. Usually. Seldom. Never. Activities.
Put the correct form of the verb to be.
He is a student. They are policemen. Mary is my friend. They are not hungry. He is 16 years old. How old are you? How old are your brothers? How old is Mary? Joan is fond of dancing. My mother is not at home at the moment. They are not late for the lesson. Is Bob at home? We are happy. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.